Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom bite the bullet, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to face a painful or unpleasant situation that you have been avoiding. Suppose an employee shouts at his colleague in the office when he loses his patience. It is reported to the manager and a meeting is called to rectify the situation. I can't believe I lost my head earlier. I'll have to bite the bullet and apologize. I hope I didn't cause too much harm. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. A woman lied to her husband about things in her past, but it's now coming back to haunt her. I thought I'd never have to tell him. I'll just have to come clean and bite the bullet. A man successfully performed CPR on someone in a restaurant and saved their life. He is telling his friend the story. You know how I hate blood? Well, it started coming from her nose. I just had to bite the bullet and keep going to save her life. The man went his whole life avoiding flying until he met his wife and she wanted to travel overseas. I guess I'll have to bite the bullet now. I'd do anything for her. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The manager sent his employee to close a sale that just needed a signature. The client had changed his mind, however, and the employee lost the sale. I'm not looking forward to telling my manager what happened, but I'll have to bite the bullet and report it to him. The group wanted to leave the hardest task until the end, but one of the staff members said, I think we should just bite the bullet and get it done. That way, everything else will be easy. The manager went to a meeting and left his staff to run the office for an hour, but there was an emergency. We'll just have to bite the bullet and deal with the situation until he comes back. Where did you hear the expression, bite the bullet? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.